Good morning, everybody. We'll probably do a couple videos today. I didn't get a lot done yesterday. I got some stuff in my eye. We did get the backup camera in yesterday. I did some modification to the bracket and I tucked it up behind the rail and it's pointing out a factory hole, so it's not obnoxiously looking back there. Didn't quite get the amp in. I ran out of parts and ran out of time, so I ordered an amp kit just so I could get the fuse and the wiring that I needed rather than trying to piece a bunch of crap together. We're working on the battery isolator today. It's this 3 amp 50 amp circuit breakers. We're going to break those up to keep all the circuits safe. That way we can charge all 3 batteries at the same time. A little modification to the alternator to make all of that work. We got that done. That's where we're at, what we're doing today. I'm going to post up another video today about some stuff, big stuff that we got coming up, so stay tuned.